Hi Ezzati, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing great. How are you?
Alright, great, thanks.
Welcome to my showroom. Let's come in.
Yep. So, yeah, do you start your day with coffee or tea?
Plain water, first thing in the morning.
And maybe you can describe yourself in 3 words?
Optimistic, dominant, and unpredictable.
Okay, and what do you love about designing?
I love designing because I love enjoy the design process, and I think imagination has no limits.
I see. And yeah, maybe you can explain to me like some fashion labels or designer who have inspired you the most?
Ooh, I have a lot of favorites. Phoebe Philo, Dries Van Noten, Jill Sander, The Row, and so many more.
Okay, and what do you do on your day off?
Lots of rest and sleep.
Okay, and what's your favorite food?
Japanese.
Yep. And what's your current obsession?
My upcoming collection.
Okay, and who was the last person you texted?
My mom.
Alright, and I have some random question here. What's your most used emoji?
Hearts. You want to check out upstairs? Let's go.
Sure. Wow, I love the space.
Thank you. This is my design studio where all the magic happens.
Cool. Okay, fashion questions. Describe your personal style.
Minimalist, maximalism. It's a mixture of both.
Skirts or pants?
Pants,
Dress with shoes or sneakers?
sneakers,
Formal or casual?
casual.
Print or plain?
A room for both.
Gold or silver?
Gold for me, silver for the brand.
And shopping online or shopping in store?
For me personally, I love to shop in stores. For my brand, shopping online.
I see. And now, maybe you can give 3 words to describe the Ezzati Amira X Popular collection.
Fashionable for the masses.
And which is your favorite piece from the collection?
Let me show you downstairs. This is my favorite piece. The wrap shirt in khaki also comes in black. We also have it in different color. The white shirt with our signature floral print. It's called the Confidence Blouse.
Okay, any last message to our viewers?
Don't forget to check out and shop the collection, and I look forward to see how you style it.
Nice. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you again.
Thank you. Bye.